Imagine a simple mixture that could revolutionize your health, a blend of olive oil and lemon. This seemingly ordinary concoction holds extraordinary powers that could greatly enhance your overall well-being. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, renowned for its heart-healthy effects. It's packed with monounsaturated fats that help reduce levels of bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. Moreover, it's a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which could protect your body from various diseases. On the other hand, we have the humble lemon, an unassuming citrus powerhouse. It's a high source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that boosts your immune system and promotes radiant skin. Lemons also contain a good deal of fiber and can help in improving digestion. Furthermore, they are known for their detoxifying properties that can support your liver's function. Now, let's talk about the synergy of these two ingredients. Together, olive oil and lemon create a health-boosting elixir that multiplies the benefits of each component. The lemon juice makes the beneficial compounds in olive oil more accessible to your body, allowing you to absorb them more efficiently. This blend can help detoxify your body, improve digestion, boost your immune system, and give you a healthful glow. It's not just about enhancing your physical health though. This mixture can also contribute to your mental well-being. The healthy fats in olive oil can support brain health, while the refreshing scent of lemons can uplift your mood. In essence, the combination of olive oil and lemon is not just a simple mixture, it's a potent blend that can help you lead a healthier and happier life. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised by the wonders it can do for you. Stay tuned to learn how this powerful combination can change your life. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is packed with incredible health benefits. This humble oil, originating from the sun-kissed groves of the Mediterranean, has been a cornerstone of healthy diets for millennia. Let's delve into the nutritional components that make olive oil such a wonder. Olive oil is a rich source of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is known for its heart-healthy benefits. It also boasts a good amount of vitamins E and K, both essential for overall well-being. But that's not all. Olive oil is also loaded with powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants, like oleocanthal and oleuropein, not only ward off harmful free radicals, but also exhibit strong anti-inflammatory properties. This makes olive oil a great ally in combating chronic diseases like arthritis, and even some forms of cancer. What sets olive oil apart is its ability to improve heart health. The monounsaturated fats found in olive oil can help lower bad cholesterol levels, while boosting the levels of good cholesterol. This balance aids in preventing heart disease and strokes. In addition, olive oil promotes good digestive health. It aids in the smooth functioning of the digestive system, reduces the risk of gallstone formation, and even helps combat ulcers. The benefits of olive oil extend to the realm of beauty as well. It is a fantastic moisturizer for skin and hair, and its antioxidant properties can help fight off the signs of aging. And yet, despite its extensive list of benefits, olive oil remains a simple and versatile ingredient. It can be used in cooking, as a salad dressing, or even consumed in its raw form. But the magic doesn't stop there. Let's add some lemon to the mix. Lemon, a vibrant citrus fruit, is loaded with vital nutrients that can supercharge your health. Hailing from the lush, sun-drenched lands of Asia, the lemon has been a star in the culinary and health world for centuries. This citrus powerhouse is a treasure trove of essential nutrients, with its bright yellow rind concealing a wealth of health benefits. The lemon is perhaps best known for its high vitamin C content. This vital nutrient is a potent antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. It plays a crucial role in boosting our immune system, warding off common colds, and even improving our skin's appearance. But the benefits of lemon go beyond just vitamin C. It's also packed with other nutrients like potassium, which is essential for heart health, and dietary fiber, which aids in digestion. The zesty fruit even contains compounds called flavonoids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. In addition to its nutritional benefits, lemon has been used in traditional medicine for a myriad of health issues. From soothing a sore throat to aiding digestion, the lemon's versatility knows no bounds. And let's not forget its detoxifying properties. A glass of warm lemon water in the morning is often recommended as a simple, natural detox. The lemon's acidic nature also makes it a fantastic natural cleaner, capable of cutting through grease and grime. And of course, its zesty flavor and refreshing scent make it a favorite in the culinary world, adding a tangy twist to everything from salads to seafood. But as impressive as all these benefits are, they just scratch the surface of what this citrus powerhouse has to offer. There's a whole world of benefits to discover when you delve deeper into the lemon's nutritional profile. Now, imagine the power of olive oil and lemon combined. Let's explore. When olive oil and lemon unite, they form a health-boosting powerhouse. Imagine if one of the world's most cherished culinary ingredients teamed up with a citrus superstar. What would happen? Well, let's delve into the wonders of this dynamic duo. Olive oil and lemon, when combined, offer a myriad of health benefits that might surprise you. For starters, they work hand in hand to detoxify the body. Olive oil acts as a natural lubricant, helping to flush out toxins, while lemon's high vitamin C content boosts the immune system, aiding in the cleaning process. The result? A body that functions at its best, free from harmful substances. But the magic doesn't stop there. This remarkable blend also does wonders for your skin. Olive oil, rich in antioxidants, fights off damaging free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and glowing. On the other hand, lemon, packed with citric acid, acts as a natural exfoliator, removing dead skin cells and revealing a more radiant complexion. Together, they form a potent skin elixir that keeps signs of aging at bay. Now, onto the digestive benefits. Olive oil stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, ensuring your food is broken down efficiently. Meanwhile, lemon's acidity balances the stomach's pH levels, promoting better digestion. Consuming this blend can help alleviate digestive discomfort, from bloating to indigestion. It's like having your personal digestive aid in a bottle. And let's not forget about the heart health advantages. Olive oil, loaded with monounsaturated fats, helps lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Lemon, brimming with potassium, helps control high blood pressure. When taken together, they contribute to a healthier heart and a longer life. So imagine waking up feeling lighter, with glowing skin, a happy stomach, and a stronger heart. That's the power of the olive oil and lemon blend for you. It's more than just a culinary delight. It's a wellness potion that can transform your health in ways you never thought possible. Intrigued to try this magic blend? Let's learn how to prepare it. Preparing this health-boosting blend of olive oil and lemon is simpler than you might think. It's almost like creating a little potion of wellness right in your own kitchen. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need fresh lemons and high-quality extra virgin olive oil. These two ingredients are the stars of the show, so their quality really matters. The fresher the lemon and the higher the quality of the olive oil, the more potent the health benefits. Now onto the actual preparation. Begin by squeezing the juice out of the lemon. You'll want to extract as much juice as you can, so don't be afraid to put a little elbow grease into it. Remember, the goal is to get that fresh, zesty lemon juice packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Next, it's time to measure out your olive oil. For this blend, you'll need an equal amount of olive oil to lemon juice. Pour the olive oil into a glass, then add the lemon juice. Now stir the mixture well, and voila, you've created your magic blend of olive oil and lemon. It's a radiant, golden liquid that's not just pleasing to the eyes, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Now I know what you're thinking, it's just olive oil and lemon, right? But trust me, this simple blend is a powerhouse of nutrients. The olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, and the lemon juice, bursting with vitamin C and flavonoids, come together to form a blend that's truly magical. It's important to remember that consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of this blend. Make it a part of your daily routine, and watch as it works wonders for your health. There you have it, a simple blend with monumental benefits, but when to consume it? Let's find out. Knowing when to consume this blend can optimize its benefits. You see, timing is everything. It's not just about what you consume, but when you consume it. And this golden rule applies to our magical blend of olive oil and lemon as well. You might be asking, when is the best time to drink this concoction? The answer is simple: before bed. Yes, you heard it right. Consuming this blend right before you hit the sack can work wonders for your body. But why, you ask? Let's delve into it. During the night, our body is in a state of rest. It's the perfect time for healing and restoration. When we consume this blend before bed, it gives our body ample time to absorb and process the nutrients, maximizing the benefits. Ingesting olive oil at nighttime can help regulate your blood circulation, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep. Its rich antioxidants work overnight, fighting off the harmful free radicals in your body. The lemon juice, with its high vitamin C content, boosts your immune system while you sleep, preparing your body to fend off any potential threats. Moreover, while we sleep, our body goes into detoxification mode. The liver, in particular, is very active. Introducing olive oil and lemon into this process enhances the detoxification, helping to flush out toxins from your body. And let's not forget about the digestive benefits. Drinking this blend before bed can aid in digestion, ensuring a smooth and comfortable start to your day. It helps in breaking down the food while you sleep, preventing any discomfort or bloating in the morning. Now you might be wondering, won't it be too heavy to consume before bed? Well, not at all. The key is moderation. Just a tablespoon of olive oil mixed with the juice of half a lemon is all you need. It's light, refreshing, and incredibly beneficial. So, are you ready to experience the powerful benefits of olive oil and lemon? Remember, a healthier you is just a sip away.
Hey there, amazing viewers! If you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button.